Caramelo apartment by CoDA Arquitetura in ASA SUL, Brazil. The interiors of this 178 sqm, 1,916 square feet, apartment favor the fluidity of the space, family gatherings, and the beautiful view of Brasília's horizon. The couple who commissioned the project, one Brazilian, the other Italian, are both culinary lovers and wanted the kitchen to be a protagonist in their home. The office then proposed an integrated space that incorporates the kitchen, living room, workspace, and balcony, which faces a beautiful view facing the sunrise. For this purpose, all the original walls that formed these spaces were demolished, including one restroom, which was completely removed from the original program. Once the space was broadened, the kitchen became the center of the intervention, designed to meet the couple's demands and to allow an interaction between them and their guests when cooking. The carpentry, with continuous wood panels in Frejo wood, explores the idea of connection and fluidity when circling through the apartment. The materiality as a whole highlights the combination of hardwood floors and wooden panels, by turning to neutral materials and colors. Another important priority was the entry of natural light in all rooms. Therefore, glass partitions were chosen to divide certain areas from the living room, such as the laundry room, closed by fluted glass doors and windows, and the workspace, whose clear glass dividers create a visual connection to the rest of the living area. At night time, the overall lighting strategy is inverted, recurring to indirect illumination to create a cozy and intimate atmosphere.